Hadin wami ke khubor na ke Joint Action Committee JSC ke Chenong Nartiang West Giant Hill District wa kentup ya ke Sen FKJJP MPUF JSU wa ke JPWO wa penbat wa depan MKam bakala ya ke poisa wa so klur yang ke prasat skim Nartiang Shaktipin. Kini ke skim to ko wada yo na ke sarkar perdi wa demang wa penkrek ya ki krek wa harukom da ke Meghalaya Tourism Development Corporation Nartiang Durka Mandir kita lawyer yang kita tahu pagi ki pankana ki yung wasa ya ki wawan ja kini tahu ikan ro ya ki rut kini ke mandir I tahu penyin keri keluti lai kejat cek per mo penyin ha ke cenong wa kiwi hewa ikre da kenjo cek so pen prapa kunde klur haga arpa witri uni ubnai ya ki niki kre da wan pai da director ke cenat tourism usivi ding do hey emlang udisi ke West Giant Hills UBS Solia ke tourism officer ke district ke SD Shela usahab yang ke MTDC ki wakit kam ke Joint Action Committee udaloy ke ilaka Nartiang uwahe chenong waki wachong chenong ke Nartiang ki kre wada pendep kentup ya artali ki kit chua wop siya chaka mandir ki tau pat ki iyung hajan gani ke mandir wa ka pankana iwada kenjo arpoin khat arklur ki kam wompo emdep krek kentup ya ki tau penyin keri wa keluti wa to olai cak permo penyin iwa kenjo prapau solang ki krek na won ki wa klem krek kentup iya ke kenro hatalawir ke mandir I tau I tau no jam I tau re resting shed I penche illumination ya ki mo penyin wa ya ke mandir iwa kenjo iwi pon kende pau arklur hei por wa wan sakhi ya ki niki krek da chem wa kenro ya ki talawir ke mandir tang wada chena no du ikan ro wat bian da chem wada krek habra ya ki thau he wa ki narot wat hadin wada dep dung khandau bilat le dang mi ki chalain da chem le wa ya ki luti lai kajat chak per mo penyin kat kam wo ong ki wakit kam ga JAC to wada krek da ka chispa asngi wada astor khandau bilat don hi we hei thau wo chna ya kani ka luti ka wa kamai le mitar da chna wan du hapo chimitar tam kam te ter Hadin isli ya kini ki krek dapan man ya kaya lang he wa kitri chnong dapan sngau ku yai takha man sen wo yo ya kam ini ikre. He ya klam bo CV ding do da khanao wa dapan krek ya kini ke skim da ke MTDC we ha kini ke sngi da wan pai ka mon lai ki krek we manda kali wala da M iduna ha I pengkrek ya kini ke skim da ongo wa kini ka thau to ko da M chwa we M kam wo wan pai ye wa M kam wo chna I wa da sidur knang wo yiu chim rai wo sedang ya ikre we da M itut khajak ta sange ikre we ha kini ke sngi da rai wo pten biang ye ikre hawa kali wa ke JAC da penbat ko wat ko I pengkrek kam ya kini ke skim da ongo wa ikre dang man I walai chakman we ye ba wo M iduna he ni he tai we M le itut kam I yo bor na ke chnong wa kiwi we ikre daw ye open dep hapo unai khande chua ga puja Neliang ucharman ke JAC wa man le president ke FKJJP Nartiang area unit ubin reliang da ong wa neliang u director darai wo pendep no ye ikre wadang sa ten chua I puja da ong wa kat kam ke RTI wa da chem ye ikre to open dep hapo unai khande hajar pau tang wa de por chu ye ki wo pendep hado wisu march uni usnem tang wa hado kat ni ikre dang man bai I wasa ten we ya ka poisa wa da tam daw chna no saya ko bi ka thau pai ki ha ka mandir he to wa ka kanro na mo ka retaining wall ka wan rup hau lak tam tang wa ngau si wa da chna pen miet don hi ka ne ba ka ni ka kanro to ko da em chua da kerpa du le wo pendep ye ikre ka ma da kular ha ka ni ka sngi wo pendep ha po nai khende he jo ipor da kentu le ye ki wi ki chnong wala da chem wa kre habra ye ki skim ha po ka chnong yong ki da ki kontraktor wa ka chnat sarkar wo snga bha u chim khia ye ki kam khnang yo ye uso wa thiang lem kam te daw man toy du ki brusemen don hi da penrap ule de wong wa kat kam wa man Nartiang da pelaj poisa kan de don hi ne bha na ka so klur tam da chna du kam wa arli klur don hi we ki wi ki chnong le to ulai luti ki chaprang klem tin yo manikam wajom.
The project is being implemented by MTDC through local contractors, and we have come for a joint inspection with the locality, the community stakeholders. DC is here, all of us are here to see what is the progress of works, and we are committed to complete the work by September end. so that it will benefit the people in this puja season.
So is there any slipshod implementation of the schemes?
No, some things were, because on site it's a existing location. Once you start the work, you find if there are issues, we have to work out the plan estimates. So we have come to see what are the issues that are there on site, so that we can move ahead and take a decision. What are the works that need to be done? Because there are obviously requests from the community, also from the puja committee here, that they wanted some things in certain ways. So we have come to do that, and all of us have agreed to how to get the work done, and we will move ahead.
And as per your findings, can you state something about your findings?
No, the work was stopped for some time because of no clarity as to the some issues. So that issues have been resolved. So we are hoping that by September end, all the work will be done and everything is fine. But see, this is an ongoing project. We should understand that it is not yet complete. So once you do joint inspection to check what are the issues that are there on the ground, because once you start the work, issues might be there on the ground in terms of when you implement the project. So those implementation issues are there in any project. We have come to see that, and now those implementation issues have been noted by our consultant. Those statements will be prepared as to how the estimates have to be redone for some of the locations because of certain issues, and because certain permissions were not given to the implementing agency on time, etc. And it's an existing location, like I said. But as you see, many of the things have been completed. In fact, we have said that today these toilet blocks, etc. are already completed. We want to hand over so that it can be used by the public for visiting. So there are no more issues that are remaining. Everything has been resolved in terms of understanding, and we have set a deadline to the contractors to finish everything by September end or early October. Thank you very much.
So pertaining to the footpath which was constructed, which is according to the DPR, it stated that the width would be 3 meters. So as we've inspected today, it is not even 2 meters.
That's what I said. On the site, there are certain small deviations that happen because it depends on that site. Those are broad estimates that are prepared as per the DPR. So we have instructed the consultant, wherever the actual has been done, based on the actuals, they will make a statement, and that is what will be the final report, based on the actual statement that has been done and actual work that has been on the ground. So that also, there are no issues. There was, it's an existing footpath, but some parts of the footpath were not there. But that is what the Shnong wanted, the Doloi wanted, they wanted that to be made, and that has been made. And from the existing footpath, the new footpath has been made, as per the plan and estimates.
Hadirin bericap betul dengan bila joint inspection rengkat wau Doloi wau Shnong wau director rengkat lang lang DC JSC kawiran ke sur rai wau naglim yung wau director da kular wau pendeu igi kamu nang saateng terus ni tu mungkin udang sa bon gi kamu nang saateng mo temur ule no ki kita pendeu hachwa go September le hachwa go ni puja yung im nesem arjara public kata tu naglim director da EU ka kular mo ukura jing to ko pendem igi kamu saateng hachwa ka ni puja to kajing to parking kong dio to kan itu man torti haru ko kata kore man ibila to ko por kan do fel lu lalu tiga ni haru lai file ka RTI ge mo to fel seru pelan ni bah ya kam itu pendem gi kam ka deadline yang kita pendem gi haru September yang arjara par hari sausi uang depan biang ge extension date haru santer haru benai March yang arjara public but haru ni ge singim pa man ko kamu dio complete kama tak dalim yang director jing to kan ke kamtam ya parking to kular pendem gi kayu phaan kontraktor yo kure ngi ka kan hachwa puja to pendem tak kaje jing to kata ka footpath mo kata kam jing tip yang ikat kam ka ko igi ga tendar thak igi ko order yang ka to pras pa so pha mitar ka jing jrong yang ka lane le mitar ka jing kmaim ka chakring mo ta jing chem yang igam je isi one thau one pai ga kata em ko du chi ars pa ar phale mitar ni jing jrong yang ka ni te wa ka chi mitar ni jing he yang ka mo kar man ngate delim director tu de kularu wa ya kata ga besa ura no ka uro uchna no de gallery hite hijing to hakmat no ketiga temple ga mai you kitu kamtam gi ways mal ketiga thauno jap ke ma tu ko to you ther get install on kular gi man ther ura gi tu de hari kamtam kita ga drinking water kita gi artli ma kita ong wa tha chna no ki gi contract to benta hai tai to pendem ni ka ru hijing to kata ga hachwa ga puja kata na kularu to hachwa urus hamudu September to pendek i kamur man komplit ya kita ada kular do director ipi ka kam kan ni ka jing chem yang ilang bang RTI mo hajing to kata retaining wall kam ong gitu hadu sofa khonde pon kam te lax section sanction ya ka ne ko order yang ka hari sau sip on yu kam yu gini to gini gina side ni ngu ada control belum la repairing don hi na kata sofa khonde la repairing belum la ka more or less 10 meters ya kita mi ka accept only am order agree utai ma ngai wow ya kita ga pisa udang yang ka hap le kita gerteni wall ha gerteni wall hap le gerteni wall lim to repair ni ya ko pisa mun to use bende gi pisa ni tu situ ma I nagliang je sim ngai ite I nakani tani gater ni kwa gata gerteni wall kam ka sanction yang ka to le martani wall ol ngai ka to le ka pende ka achwa ka getel de kularu pende achwa pujaran kar bo kontraktor yang gata ga unle gerteni wall de kularu gi ka pende achwa ka puja anna kaling yung IGJC kajik wa man ubo kaya yema khamtam garpan ling office bahaga jenggular yang kini gesngi sabahale ikam kam kular yang ki hadu September pendep ikam lam kam te ni bah hakani ipor dep dak mud ule yiki hari de sau sub ong nagaling jegi burom yo director da perchang upongwan jeng yakalam ule ek joint inspection ni gesngi ngai jan jenggular khamtam yeke tego dep kular unde to pendep u yaka hadu September ngai jan pendep hok ikam yo hanre iniling JC upai leseli ikini kamu kreh ke sini lam la kim legi kam kamu dokular ke I chongklekti ulai kam seprang ne ba ga langba kan ka jingtho kamtam ga RTI udap yo naki to kani to habbor ke thin kam ga kam yong ka tangawi ne kwa kamtam ga jing ga apple kamtam gi chunong gu per wa mapo ga relum kasi janti yang imo Meghalaya ha sabha kinu bu em kam kini benta kre torti khandu kontrak nadu ke department kamtam chimkhia I kam kamtam gi chunong gi thau yong phiu per knang yo lau mans gi kam go sap ele ne go so sanction poisa kan de ni de benta yo mantoy ni ya samen arngul ne uchna kan de bisa ha chbo kam I Nartiang sanction gi hadu san kror hanrei sausi ong kam yu woro ne hadu arkror le krom em tang pun ye ne te da hap lai kam ji si ne te da apil ne gi chunong per le la cha khamat kam gi ni benta knang yo mantoy sir ge chunong kam I le jang yuluti gini kam lengba ka jingi layong ilengba woro gini lembar yang JC rengkat lang ke jengkar chan yang dor bar chunong dan ne uduloi em lang churum nang yulu I kam lenu malai ke prang te skobin apil biang ya ketegi gilok warna hui ke chunong la em kam kini ginja central scheme dan gi scheme go sanction ke sarkar ye bodden knang yo man skill ke jing mantoy ya ke chunong ka thau kam ada mang sarkar na te ni public support
Ini kan wa kan suara badam te kem padio ida fitil ida sipang
तो शेयर कर
kene kiri to semua inside election okay
kani dan kam pendek ke parking so kani di ke parking lot
tadi
sen lek ke
sang ini aku insya pendap suai hari ini wah
me want to this returning wall fencing
yang udah sepuluh hari ini wah
it's nothing now ada katung estimate of hangne kamera ni ba lagi ni lagi bulgar pun tak ibu ni kan hansik ya
discussion side let's go to the public wall that we discuss inside and that will go that providing of water supply.
You can always see, sir. Before we leave of this place, this one is still work in progress. We have to put paper blocks. So this will be done.
yes
Okay. So this one, after this inspection, when we'll resume the work, let the contractor finish the paper blocks. Okay. Because it's looking not so nice now. Because still work is left to be done. Once you have paper blocks, this whole place will look very beautiful.
Nothing has been done till now.
Yeah.
Nothing has been done.
No. What I'm saying is, because the work was stopped for whatever, so now we will move ahead and we will allow the paper block.
Bahab ni ya kita kontrak was sasar kan
Paper block mana benda? Budget? Per one.
Pelak shaw ni tu pelak pihak sini Friday tu tegak providing of water supply water supply part kadi lagi kani minta ingin kamu water supply dulu gini ki lihat kan inside kamu water supply kani water supply
Wah, ban implement ni kan ke skim nila ya tiap lupa nomor ni tiap bakani ke dia min kumbang ti madam ne ni don kam extra gallery ban klur bro ya kan ni jaka ke dia bala don lupa haswa ban poi kan ke proses skim but why balik claim handover ni balik claim NOC ye ki ban snai ta ri ni wa belongkong bar jing di gelong ba na iki yo 175 meters lada kata ke jaka hasai kam don ban snai estimate
Budget?
saya kata tu estimate na taman yo kene ka skim sa dari tan ba
Okay. Dia minta ke tu Finlay hang ni.
Langsung tu saya kata ni sena bab legit sena.
Kalau ka plan estimate kalau
Ya, yang
biar
langsung
dia.
tu.
Because
But
we have paid berkhot.
Sar, sundiat sar. Hadu kisni bab mo pi pila dep ay ka wok order. Kimpat confirm dia ka jaga ngasu ke jung bakala ka di spa. Nomor kum no tin ay wok order yu bru. Lada ka jaga sport kampot confirm. Sementara pe kini gidi gijing ya ladangi balik kum ni. Kisna ya tu 175 ban yo scheme. Mentang ngila po sport ke jakaro ka don. Ngim susu boleh. Ha beli kim le ya ka kam.
Tu kan saya pendap minta.
So no doubt.
Padep ka kam te. Kadai ka in progress te kata hi ada bidang ong. Ka scheme ngimpat close. Bon ki kam kidang sa. Tik bentang ngila awan ban pendap. Angin sa pendet, angin sa ong, angin sa direction ni contractor but pendap ka kam. Mansuk. Ngila so tho berkhot ni. Ka jaka ka don bentang in sa ni. Balaji, this is the plan, no? Yes. To do this. So now you have the letter, so you get the line and do it.
Once these people take the green,
No, they'll give us.
No,
Why
the
should they
problem
not
is
give?
that believe wrong ba sunong I should green signal when everything kala green mata.
Everything is green only.
What's the problem? I don't understand.
Kamram jangan amde tang among ni. Mar ka klik kene ke jaka de doloi.
Doloi,
Rekat urang ba senong.
Behind there,
Yeah.
Kita mengi arut
taken the lineup of the
ban pe kene.
Correct. So we want to
Kene ke
also
jaka
get that
dang
to
hadin
the
ni.
campus. But okay, that now leave that aside. That
yeah, now
PWD
that we
campus
don't
is
have, so
leave that.
we have that buffer to
Yeah.
do it here.
Yes. See, kani ka scheme kani ban wanra ka development hamni. However you want to do it, we are here to support you. That's all.
Best way sir.
And let us move ahead.
Sir kalong
We
guni.
have discussed many times.
Sir dalong ka bala. Let it be some kani ka wit kin ke sumarong yum dan kam traffic na da move.
No, we'll have to see based on what is the the amount that can load. We'll have to re-estimate. Many things have to be done. We'll see.
No, so
Out
kita
of it-
ngimla
no,
man
no,
ya
no,
kita.
sir. Out of
Estimate ya kan itu
840, and then the width is 3 meter.
How many meters that, Papa? See, we are not. I'm not measuring. this. I
Yeah,
cannot tell.
yeah.
I mean,
Ngi la le homework ta ka do.
yeah, I cannot tell exactly, Teba, because I have not measured it right now.
Bal je tanggo request ka.
So
Let
request
that
will
increase kini ka width ka.
request kalau gue biasa, mensua ngila wan kini hajing saya pak palet toping kini ru toping. Tambah ki orang kini sangat no.
Mono ba?
Ni,
Mana ba?
bangin lihat tak. Kini estimate ane ngin simno kini wall style ni kobar kata ni.
Okay.
Ya kita ya kan ngimla bentah.
Sar kalong guni. Reaching wall ka de ka bala don pa 125.
49 lakh something.
Whatever is in the estimate, we'll do
Yeah,
that.
yeah.
Yes.
Dan kajing kuat jong kalong ya kan ni lada ka sa kan ni mdon jaka show het snong ban punon kam bisa. Yong let's make a gallery out there. Hagrong ka reaching wall ngin sna gallery.
We'll see that. I agree. I mean, if it's possible within that amount, no issues.
Kau ini dengan poin ni,